In this video, we are to create a new file with a Python script. So first you need to install the Python version 3, and then you need to have the virtual machine Cucm version 12.5. And to check the example to create a file via SOAP, you need to have a SOAP application installed in your PC. So first you need to check with the SOAP application, SOAP UI, to check the sample to create a new file via Python. So first you need to create or open the file. To download the file is you need to go to plugins, and then you need to download the first option, that is the Cisco AXL token. When you have this file, you should open the file in this application file, new SOAP project test or whatever name, and open the file. I think so. The file is in documents, downloads, and the file have the name schema. Okay, you need to select the current version. In this case, the version is 12.5. Click, and you need to open the first option. The extension is WSDL. The name is XLAPI. Okay, open, click OK. We had error with the application, but so you need to find the add new fact, add fact info. Select this option, and then the system displays the example that we are going to work with this example. Okay, we have an error with the application. So select all text, and you need to open new file and a BC code, copy the file or the text. Okay. So you need to, this text create between comments with triple comma. You need create a new variable SOAP with this value of the text SOAP, and then you need to import the module request to work with the SOAP request. So import requests. This is the only model that we are to work with the Python application. So we have this part. You need to send information to create the fact in the COC, and first the text include 3 variables: the name, code, and authorization level. So for this case, you need to create three variables to create a new fact. Without one variable, the exercise is incorrect. So you need to create variables to import information into the CUC, and then creating the new fact. So first you need to create the name variable. So you need to introduce the new variable in the command line in your PC to introduce a variable for each parameter. So uh, with this word, you can introduce the variables in the command line windows. So first you need to introduce a question to introduce the new variable, name, okay, um, code, and input a question or word to introduce the new variable, code, and then uh, level, level, input, le level, okay, fact, insert, okay. So let me check this part to corroborate the first three variables in the CLI. Uh, let me check uh, test. So the first is a question that it's the name. Uh, go. So you can see the first output of the script is the three question to introduce the new variables to create a new fact. When you have this part, you need to introduce these variables to into the text to send information to Cucm. So you need to introduce in the text each variables. So you need to create commands and plus and specify the variable. Okay, so you need to do the same procedure in each line. You need to specify with the level. So level and code. So here we have the three variables insert in the text with the information is in SOAP variable. So in this part you need to send information, but after you need to create before you need to create a URI to send information to the server. So you need to create a new variable, for this case R, and request and pause, because we are going to modify the information in the server. You create a new information in the tables of the Cucm, so you need to specify with pause and create a URI to send information. So HTTPS and specify the IP address and /Excel. This is the URI. Okay, comma. So we have some variables, for example, both cookie headers, num, params. So you need to port verify and false, false, and out. Into the out, you need to specify the application usage that you create before here. So for this case is Cucm API and the password is Cisco. It's okay. To finish, you need to introduce information with the variable. So okay. This user is in application user. Application user, before you need to create a new user with this information. It's a API, this name, and the password. It's necessary to have the same information in the server Cucm and the script Python. When you have this information, you can send the information of the text to create a new flag. But you need to corroborate the response of the server. To check this code, you need to print the out with the variable code r status code. With this print, you can see the response, code response. So say the script level. So let me check a test to corroborate the script. So we go to downloads, insert. So we had an error. Invalid syntax, HTTPS post. Let me corroborate the link. HTTPS post, request post. Okay, we have error. It's with this. Okay, because it's a command. Command. Okay, yes. Let me save. Okay. Let me try it again. Name, fact info or fact, I don't know, fact new. Okay. Code could be the 556889910 level 110, and I need to correct information. Okay, the code is correct because the return code is 200. It's okay, this code. So let me corroborate the Cucm. Let me check the fact, the new creation. Fact, yes, fine. And this is a new code in the Cucm via Python. It's easy, this example. I need to replicate this example with other configuration. For example, you can add trunks, device, and whatever configuration